Lesson 7, Our School. Good afternoon, my dear children. Now, do you all like to come to school? Yes or no? Yes. But I can see some of you saying no. Dear children, your parents are sending you to school so that you learn many things. In school, you learn different subjects like mathematics, English, EVS, history, etc. School is therefore known as the temple of knowledge. Let us see who are the people who help to run the school. The headmistress or the headmaster is the head of the school. He or she takes decisions for the future and well-being of the students and also plans many other things like the syllabus, the schedule, curricular and co-curricular activities. Now, who is this? Yes, this is a teacher. Now, a teacher teaches you, guides you, corrects your books, worksheets, and exam papers. She also corrects you when you make a mistake so that you become a good person. Therefore, you should love and respect your teachers. Now, can you see this classroom is so dirty? Now, who cleans your classrooms? Yes, the Maushis. Now, they are known as maids. Now, after every period, you hear the school bell ringing. Now, do you know who rings the school bell? Yes, the peons. They also help the headmistress to pass messages to the teachers. Now, who is this? Yes, this is a gardener. Now, the gardener looks after the school garden and waters the plants regularly. Now, this is a school office. In a school office, we have clerks and computer operators who help to maintain various records of the school. Some schools also have a receptionist who guides people when they come to visit the school. Now let us see some of the important places in the school building. Where does our headmistress sit? Yes, in the office. Now, when teachers are free, do you know where they sit? They sit in the staff room. This is the school office. The clerks and computer operators sit in this office. Now, as I told you, some schools have a receptionist. So, they sit in this area which is known as the reception area. Now let us see the important places for students in the school building. Now this is an assembly hall. Here students begin their day with prayers, reading news, thought for the day, etc. Just like how we have an open hall. What is this? Yes, this is a library. Here you will find storybooks for the students to read. It also has books of different subjects and information. But you need to maintain absolute silence in the library room. Now, my dear children, for computer practicals, you all go to the computer lab. Yes. So this is a computer laboratory. Now here you learn to use the computer. This is an activity room. Now here the students are taught dance and music. This is an audiovisual room. Now in this room students are shown videos related to lessons in the books. They are also shown some informative videos about our surroundings on a big screen with the help of a projector. It's just like how you have the smart board. This is a classroom. Now the classrooms are big and clean, bright and airy. Now there are desks and benches, teacher's table and chair, the chalkboard and the smart board. Now there are also many other learning materials which are displayed on the notice board. This is the school ground. Now this is the area where the students go for PT exercises and to play many outdoor games. Some schools also have a yoga room. Now here the students are taught yoga to maintain their body and to learn discipline, good health and mental discipline. Now this you all know because you all use it daily, that is the restroom or the washroom. Okay, but remember we must always keep them clean. Now the school also provides safe and clean drinking water. Now this is kept for everyone and so we should also not waste it. Now let us see the different activities conducted by the school. Now you know every month we have various competitions for the students. Some of them are drawing, singing, dancing and fancy dress competitions. Picnics and educational trips are also organized. Here, the students enjoy and learn new things with their teachers and friends. This is the annual sports day. This is conducted to encourage students to take active part in sports. We also have annual day, which is conducted to showcase the students' talent and creativity. Now for this, the teachers train the students for songs, dances and skits. Now they perform in front of their parents and a large audience. There is also a prize distribution ceremony, which is a very important part of the annual day program for the students. Every school has rules. Let us see some of the rules to be followed by every student in the school. You must throw the rubbish in the dustbin and keep the school clean. School belongings like the desk, bench, all these things should be taken care of by the students. You must always maintain discipline inside and outside the classrooms. And always remember, do not run in the school premises, always walk. After using the toilets, always remember to flush the toilets. Stand in a queue to drink water. Always maintain discipline in the classroom, especially when the teacher is teaching in the class. Respect and obey the headmistress and the teachers. Also, greet them when you meet them inside and outside the school. You must also respect the peons and maids working in the school, since they are equally important to the school as well. And last, Always be punctual. Never be late for the school. My dear children, you are all lucky to go to school, and so should always love, respect, and obey your teachers and the headmistress. Good students become good citizens. I hope you understood this lesson.